Hi viewers, welcome to my classroom. Today you are going to learn about the past perfect continuous tense. Let us move to the class. The past perfect continuous tense. Let us see the definition. It refers to an action that started in the past and continued up to another point in the past, another point of time or period of time. We find here an action that started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. Let us see the formula: subject plus had been plus verbing form. Let us see the examples. Had been playing, had been writing, had been waiting. In order to express the past perfect continuous tense, we usually use the words since or for. We use these two words for point of time or period of time. Since is used for point of time. For is used for period of time. Let us see the examples. Point of time: since 8 a.m., since morning, since Monday, since March, since 1980. That means it refers exact time, exact day, exact month, exact year. Hope you followed. Let us see the next one: period of time. It denotes a period of time, a period of 2 hours, a period of 3 weeks, a period of 5 months, a period of 10 years. Like this we make use of for. So, hope you understand. Let us move to the next slide. In the following conditions we use this tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that had been going on for some time in the past. Usually it is used with the words since or for. Let us see the examples. I had been playing football since morning. Playing football began since morning and continued for some time in the past. So we use here past perfect continuous form, that is, had been playing. Since is used because morning is a point of time. Let us see the next example. It had been raining for 3 hours. Raining for 3 hours began in the past. Raining began in the past, continued up to 3 hours in the past. So we make use of past perfect continuous form, that is, had been raining. And for is used for period of time. 3 hours is period of time. Next example. Sagar had been writing the test for 2 hours. Writing the test began in the past, continued up to 2 hours. So we use past perfect continuous form, had been writing. Karishma had been singing since 10 a.m. Singing began since 10 a.m. in the past and it continued for some time in the past. So we use had been singing. They had been waiting for me for 3 hours. Waiting for me for 3 hours. Waiting began in the past, continued up to 3 hours in the past. So we use had been waiting. He had been working in this company for 5 years. Working in this company began in the past and continued up to 5 years in the past. So we use had been working. She had been preparing for bank exams since March. Preparing for bank exams began since March and continued for some time in the past. So we use had been preparing. My sister had been dancing for 4 hours. Dancing began in the past, continued for 4 hours in the past. So we use had been dancing. My brother had been flying a kite since 4 p.m. Flying a kite began since 4 p.m. and continued for some time in the past. So we used had been flying. So this is how we use past perfect continuous form. Hope you understand. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that had been going on for some time before another action took place in the past. Here you can find out two actions, one earlier action and the later action. Earlier action will be in past perfect continuous tense and the later action will be in past tense. Let us see the examples. Anand had been playing cricket for 2 hours when I joined him. One action, earlier action, that was Anand had been playing cricket. Another action, when I joined him. When I joined him, what action was going on? Anand had been playing cricket for 2 hours. Right? So earlier action should be in past perfect continuous tense as it was going on. Next example. Ramya had been writing a novel for 2 months when I met her. When I met her, what action was going on in the past? Ramya had been writing a novel for 2 months. Hope you understand. My grandmother had been wearing spectacles for 10 years before getting her eyes operated. Before getting her eyes operated, what action was going on in the past? My grandmother had been wearing spectacles. Had been wearing spectacles for 10 years. By the time Arjun arrived, we had been waiting for 2 hours. By the time Arjun arrived, what action was going on before in the past? We had been waiting for 2 hours. Had been waiting. Past perfect continuous. I had been working in Infosys for 6 months before I joined Wipro. Before I joined Wipro, what action was going on in the past? I had been working in Infosys for 6 months. Right? Sharan had been working in this company for 10 years when he got his promotion. When he got his promotion, what action was going on in the past? Sharan had been working in this company for 10 years. So the earlier action which was going on in the past should be in past perfect continuous form. Hope you followed it. Let us pay attention on extra examples for past perfect continuous tense. See the first one. Varun had been reading different kinds of books since morning. Since morning in the past, what work had been going on? Varun had been reading different kinds of books. Had been reading. Geeta had been writing articles on various topics for 2 hours. For 2 hours in the past, what work had been going on? Geeta had been writing articles. They had been watching a movie in multiplex for 3 hours. 3 hours in the past, what work had been going on? They had been watching a movie. My mother had been shopping in the fair since morning. Since morning in the past, what work had been going on? My mother had been shopping in the fair. Neeraj had been traveling around the world since December. Since December in the past, what work had been going on? Neeraj had been traveling around the world. Hamid had been preparing for UPSC exams for 2 years. For 2 years in the past, what work had been going on? Hamid had been preparing for UPSC exams. Hope you followed. Let us see some more extra examples for past perfect continuous tense. First one. I had been reading a newspaper since 9 a.m. when Priya knocked at the door. When Priya knocked at the door, since 9 a.m. in the past, what work had been going on? I had been reading a newspaper. Manas had been referring the books in the library for 2 hours when the librarian entered. When the librarian entered, for 2 hours in the past, what work had been going on? Manas had been referring the books in the library. My sister had been listening to music for 2 hours before I gave a call to her. Before I gave a call to her for 2 hours in past, what work had been going on? My sister had been listening to music. My friends had been playing football for 3 hours before I started to rain. My friends had been playing football for 3 hours before it started to rain. Before it started to rain, for 3 hours in past, what work had been going on? My friends had been playing football, had been reading, had been referring, had been listening, had been playing. These are all in past perfect continuous forms. Hope you followed. And that's all, viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.